My name is Adam Hall and I study international finance at the University of Dundee. Currently represent GB Paralympic team as a guide for the visually impaired as I hope to take my athlete towards the Paralympics in 2026 in Milan. Started going through school, then skied, competed national teams the whole way through, went into instructing, more racing, and then at that point it's kind of like, right, I'm gonna go to university. At the same time, the Paralympics role came up, and I thought I'd do that, and university seemed to work alongside it. So yeah, here we are. I think when you start at school, you have to start personal statement before UCAS, and you're 16, 17 at the time. To be honest, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I think the option to actually learn about finance, it's something the school, especially in Scotland, we don't really touch upon. I couldn't study anything like this at school, and this is the first opportunity that I've been able to do that. It's busy, it's pretty intense, but what you learn is actually useful, and the opportunities that arise from it are applicable into the real world. Being involved in the uni, I think Target Jobs is a great resource that we always get peppered with emails. Look, there's this graduate role. And so I think being at uni, the biggest thing is because you're at uni, you have access to loads and loads of opportunities. People want to help you. I think that is the soul of actually being at uni. Here's the degree, but then there's also everything else.